Hi guys, welcome to M's Trading Room. My name is M. So Good Peter and I'm a financial trader. So what I'm going to do is just basically showing you guys how to trade with this methodology of starting from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Since a reason why I'm telling you to trade like this is because you know where the market is heading. And like you can see here, I just placed my monthly resistance and support levels. So how we do in the monthly is just looking for direction and space. We need space and we need direction. Now we can see here, we can see that this is a short-term move to this resistance. From this resistance, that's when we shall see maybe if price wants to continue or come below. So how do I know that this is a move to the resistance, the monthly resistance? It's simple. You can see back here, I think this was about 2008. So you can see if we place here this trend line, it has broken this trend line. Price has broken it and has retested here, down here. That was earlier this year, like in January. So you can use this word. This is your USD, by the way. So when we go to the weekly, we are going there to look for chart patterns like double tops, double bottoms, head and shoulders. You know those patterns. And the pattern which was here was this double top here, this one here. It was this. Now you can call it a triple top. You see, price came, breached through this, and then retested back before continuing. So once we have seen that that's the pattern there, then we go to the daily. We go to the daily. So here in the daily is where we can look for the intermediate trend and the overall trend. So we want to trade when the daily is aligning with the monthly and the weekly. With the monthly saying bullish, the weekly is saying bullish. So we have to wait for the daily to be saying bullish, but that's after a test and then break and then test, then continuation. Like, let me show you. Let me go back to the weekly. In the weekly, what can we see right now? It's like a consolidation of candlesticks here. So we're not first going to trade this because putting your money in this is risky. It's very risky. So by the way, you can use this methodology to trade anything. It's not that hard. You can look at all this. It's all messed. We can't do this, so that's why I put a bar up and a bar down. So like this is just a short-term resistance. This is the support of this. So I'm waiting for a breakout of this resistance and then a retest and a continuation before I can jump onto this. So my execution will be done on the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour, and the 1 hour too. So you can use any that you prefer. So as I was saying, you can use we're going to do execution on the 4 hours. So we want a breakout and a retest and a continuation. So you can see, so we shall hold this position. Like, I prefer holding because man, we're investors, we are not gamblers. So our position will be somewhere here after the breakout and retest, somewhere around here. The stop loss below this level. Now take profit all the way at this blue bar, and that's 7 to 1. That's a 7 to 1, which is good. It's enough. Like, shall hold this till it reaches there, and And also, let's go back to the weekly. So today we are just going to analyze Euro USD, but we can analyze anything with this methodology. Right now, what I want to do is just explain to you the basics and concepts of this type of this methodology of analyzing the markets, because this is how the banks, the big banks and the hedge funds trade. So once we know that this happened, this was a continuation. So when we are here right now on the weekly, this is where we spot out chart patterns. This was a range. This was a range that lasted from 2023. So this was a range that lasted since 2023 till now. That's when we just broke out of that range. And why did we go into this range? It's because of this trend here. Let me show you. So the laws of price action state that after a long rally, price like this fall, this drop that happened here, this drop started here and ended here, which took about this was from April to September. So those same months, it will take those same months ranging. So that's what happened. This was from March to October. It took almost the same number of months to do that. So on the monthly, we look for clear space and clear direction. The weekly is where we spot out chart patterns and key levels where we shall be taking out our money. And the daily, we look for the intermediate trend and the and yeah, that's where we can use maybe. And the 4 is where we use the 4, and the 1 hour is where we going for the entries. Now the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So my entry strategies are there is the breakout, the counter trend line, there is the breakout strategy, there is the dynamic supply and demand, then there is the chart pattern entry. I do have more of them, but if you wish to be mentored by me, I'm going to list down my WhatsApp number there, and we can get in touch one-on-one. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like, because it helps me to post more content for you guys. But I prefer holding my positions and just sitting down and chill, because that's what I like to do. But in the next video, I'll do something more detailed. I just wanted to give you guys something like a hint